Katybug, are you eating snow?
That tastes pretty good.
Katybug, are you eating snow?
Hey, snowball fight. Look, icicle. Snowball fight. Look, mommy. Hey,
look at her. She's laying in the snow eating it.
What? Mama, look, there's one right there. We're gonna have a snowball fight.
Katybug.
I found the icicle. Hunter, look.
Baba. Mommy. Eat it. Please, said I.
I just got these. Hey, try to buy the ice.
Hey, let me see. Okay, try a bite of this ice. Hey, try a bite of this ice. Tastes good.
Look at it, Daddy. He's looking at it like a doggy. Woof, woof.
Huh. Hey, bud. What is this crazy white stuff? Katybug, are you eating snow?
Guys,
What? Hey. So there's a big storm coming?
Yeah. Katybug.
can't you imagine if you eat snow, you could burp?
Well, it's just water.
She looks like a turtle eating lettuce. Yeah.
I really wish we had mittens for you.
Katybug.
Hunter, I think there's a big rock under there.
Snowing like crazy.
Hunter finally having fun.
Yes.
Look at Hunter up there.
I made it!
He's king of the mountain.
I'm king of the road. Bye, Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Why do you keep taking your gloves off, Katybug?
Floppy.
Katybug, your hands are going to get cold now.
Hey, bug. That's cold. I know. Come on. Cover those things. Yes, I know. Okay, okay. Cover those up. You want to go in? You want to go inside? You want to go inside?
Let her run around out there on the driveway on the flat part.
Let's go. Well, it's starting to come down.
Yeah.
So come on, Hunt.
Bye, Katybugs.
Come play on the
Bye-bye. See you later. We got to hunker down. The big storm's coming.